everyone, bonjour, bonsoir, welcome back. So we're back with my niecey and I am just doing her second maintenance. We're using Biologics shampoo, deep cleansing moringa shampoo. You guys can find it in the Etsy shop. Link is in the description. I'm also using a shampoo brush to really cleanse her scalp. She actually puts water on her hair just about every single day, and that's not really good because it's starting to present an issue. And I've spoken to her about this, not to do this. Or if you are going to put water on your hair every day, make sure you let it dry or keep your hair out. You wet it every day, put it in a ponytail. Not good, not good. So I'm really going in there to really cleanse her scalp from her doing that. So some of you asked about her hair. I did instant locks on her. I did small instant locks on her. I believe she has about 120-ish in her head. And she has an in-between density. It's not super high density, so she doesn't have a lot of strands. And her strands are not super thick, but she's right in the middle. She has medium density and her strands are medium thickness. So she's right in that sweet spot when it comes to how much hair you have and how full can your locks really be. So her hair is doing really well. She's even got some growth. She's experienced some shrinkage, of course, which, as I told you guys in the previous video with her, she really doesn't mind. She just loves the freedom that locks give her. She doesn't have to get her hair detangled. She doesn't have to deal with the pain of braids or anything like that. So she's absolutely loving her journey thus far. So today, pretty much what I'm doing is a regular retwist. You guys are going to see me go through it really quick. I'm doing a loop method retwist because she's going to get an updo style. And you guys saw the preview in the beginning of the video. Alright, and this is her from under the dryer. We did about 45 minutes to an hour of dryer time. Her locks are small, so that dryer time was perfect. And I try not to do high heat on any of my clients. I try to do medium heat, high heat if the hair is really thick and they need it. Her locks were small, so they weren't needed. And her edges pretty much laid themselves. I did not do that right there. So from here, we're going to go up into like a high bun and bangs because she wanted to have some bangs. So I start off with a ponytail at the top of her head, just a little ponytail. And then I'm going to do her bangs using 2-strand twist. This will help the hair or the locks that I'm using for bangs to remain twisted or remain maintained. That way her roots don't puff up at the bangs. Once her bangs are done, I'm going to go in and start pretty much weaving her hair up. Or not, I shouldn't say weaving, I should say braiding, but it's not a 3-strand braid. Her hair up into the style. Now that I have everything up, I'm going to do a petals. You guys see me do petals in one of the previous videos, so doing petals just to give her some type of volume up there and to like kind of structure her hair some. I'm also not, that's why I did that ponytail in the middle, so I can have a larger circumference for this petal bun. Because her hair is shorter, if I would have not left anything in the middle, it would have been a very small bun. So I did that ponytail in the middle just to give her a larger appearance for her petal bun. And that is it. I use a silk scrunchie to put around her bun, and it looks really cute and it fits the style really nicely, and it's not going to pull on her locks or anything. I'm tucking in the final little hairs that are sticking out, and that was it. Thank you guys for watching. If you are curious about any products I use on here, check the description box. If I don't sell it directly in my Etsy shop, it is in my Amazon storefront. For example, this bonnet here, I'm showing her how to put it on because she's having a little lint issue starting, and I'm trying to prevent that with her. So yeah, check it out. The oil that I used on her in the beginning, that oil will be coming out very soon. It is my signature oil that I use in the shop, and I will be making it available for purchase very soon. Thank you guys. See you next video.